Introduction to Bacteriology. As aspiring cosmetologists, it's important to understand the science of bacteriology to fully grasp the significance of sanitation and sterilization in our profession. Bacteriology is the branch of science that studies microorganisms, specifically bacteria, tiny, one-celled organisms that can be either helpful or harmful. Understanding how bacteria function, spread, and impact human health is essential for maintaining proper hygiene in both school and salon environments. This knowledge helps protect both cosmetologists and their clients from the spread of disease. The State Board of Cosmetology and Health Department require the strict application of sanitary practices when serving the public. Contagious diseases, skin infections, and blood poisoning can occur due to improper sanitation, often caused by the use of contaminated tools like combs, brushes, rollers, and pins, or by unclean hands and nails. What are bacteria? Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms found nearly everywhere, especially in dust, dirt, decaying matter, and diseased tissues. They are also called germs or microbes and are most numerous on the skin, in water and air, on clothing and under fingernails, in bodily secretions. Bacteria are so small they can only be seen with a microscope. For example, it would take about 1,500 rod-shaped bacteria lined up to span the width of a pinhead. Types of bacteria. Bacteria are generally divided into two main categories: non-pathogenic bacteria, harmless or beneficial. These make up the majority of bacteria. They help break down waste and enhance soil fertility. Saprotrophic are a type that feed on dead matter, but do not cause disease. Pathogenic bacteria, harmful or disease-causing. Although fewer in number, these bacteria can cause significant harm. They thrive in living tissue and are responsible for many infections and illnesses. Parasites fall into this group, relying on living hosts to survive and multiply. Due to the risks posed by pathogenic bacteria, maintaining high standards of cleanliness and sanitation is essential in all cosmetology settings. Classification of pathogenic bacteria by shape. Pathogenic bacteria can be identified by their distinct shapes: cocci round-shaped, staphylococci, cluster-forming, found in abscesses, pustules, and boils; streptococci chain-forming, associated with infections like strep throat and blood poisoning; diplococci, paired bacteria, cause diseases like pneumonia; bacilli rod-shaped, the most common bacterial shape, responsible for illnesses such as tetanus, lockjaw, influenza, typhoid fever, tuberculosis, diphtheria. Many bacilli form spores, which are tough and resistant to disinfection. Spirilla, spiral or corkscrew-shaped, includes several subtypes. One key example is Treponema pallida, the bacterium that causes syphilis. Pronunciation guide for key terms. Term pronunciation. Coccus singular coccus. Cocci plural cocci. Bacillus singular bacillus. Bacilli plural bacilla. Spirillum singular spirillum. Spirilla plural spiral. Staphylococcus staphylococcus. Staphylococci staphylococci. Streptococcus streptococcus. Streptococci streptococci. Diplococcus diplococcus. Diplococci diplococci. Treponema pallida treponema. Syphilis syphilis. Be sure to check the notes for a clear understanding of how to pronounce the key terms. A pronunciation guide will help you feel confident when studying or discussing the concepts.